Dear students, in this video lecture, we are going to discuss about the introduction of cloud computing. So, definition for the cloud computing is the delivery of computing resources over the internet. So, they will deliver what are the computing resources needed by an individual as well as it is needed by an organization. So, what are the services they are providing? They provide the storage services. So, what is the advantages? If we have a laptop with some set of hard disk as a storage, if you want to increase the storage, you have to go for the betterment of the next advancement of the laptop. So while you are using a cloud service, you don't need to go upgrade your laptop. Automatically, you can get unlimited of storage from the cloud. Processing power. So upgradation of latest processor can be upgraded by taking a cloud service. Databases can be upgraded using a cloud service, networking and software and more. So here we are going to see how the history of cloud computing from the early beginning. The concept was merged in 1960s. Evolution from the mainframe computing to the modern cloud infrastructure we came across. Milestones. There are three leading cloud providers: AWS in 2006 and Google Cloud Platform and Microsoft Azure. These are the most three cloud platforms. Now most of the IT sector employees as well as employers are adapted for it. So next we are going to see the services that are provided by the cloud in types. There are three types of services. One is infrastructure as a service. Next one is a platform as a service. Third one is a software as a service. So infrastructure, it means it provides a virtualized computing resources over the internet. Since you are going to build up an IT industry, you have to look for a place and you have to connect n number of computers what you needed, and you need a system administrator and web administrator to maintain all the resources. So when you go for infrastructure as a service, you can directly get all this infrastructure through the cloud platform. So you don't need to invest more on the real-time infrastructure. Next, platform as a service. Here they offer the hardware and software over the internet. Third one, software as a service. They deliver the software. It means the most of the application you are downloading in the Play Store and you are using, it all belongs to the software as a service. So that is an end product which is used by us over the internet is called software as a service. Then these services can be deployed in some set of models, private, public, and hybrid. So I will give an example. If you want to go from one destination A to another destination B, the mode of transport can be differ. If you are moving in a government bus or you are moving in a train, we call it as a public transport. When you are moving in your own vehicle, we call it as a private transport. When you are moving in a call taxi which is booked, so we call it as a hybrid. So the public cloud means there is a space which will be given for all number of organizations. They will be using public cloud. Private cloud means it will be given for some set of specified organization. Hybrid is a combination of public and private. Since you have taken a call taxi, which where you are not an owner, but you are only the one who will be traveling to the destination A to B. Next, benefits of cloud computing. When we adapt cloud computing to our industry or for a particular individual uses, what are the benefits we are going to get? First one is the cost efficiency. You no need to put more on the hardware, software in as a cost. Scalability can be easily scalable. You can increase your system, processor, power, database, storage, everything as your need. Accessibility. You can access anywhere from anywhere at any time at any device you can access. That is the main advantages of cloud computing. And the only thing you are going to pay the services as you used. So pay as you go is one of the main model in cloud computing. So how much you are subscribing and how much you are using, that units you are going to pay for the cloud service provider. Disaster recovery. So there is a the data can be retrieved at any time because you are not going to save in a particular hard disk on particular server. It can be stored in a cloud, so you can save at any time. There may be some of the challenges in cloud computing, that is security risk, downtime, and vendor lock. The potential of data breaches and other security issues. Downtime, it depends on the internet connectivity, since you will be getting all the resources over the internet. Vendor lock is difficulty in switching the providers. For example, you will be initially you will get the provider from AWS. Next, you will be going for the Google Cloud platform. So there will be a vendor lock. It can be a challenge.